women I TokTok Tugeta through ActionAid and support from PowerWells, women are now rising up. They are now included in this community in Lawital. They are becoming resilient. My name is Flora Vano, and I'm the country manager for ActionAid Vanuatu. ActionAid works around globally, and in Vanuatu, in the Pacific region, it focuses with women. Tanna Island, the heart of the active volcano. We have to maneuver our way through a lot of challenges. Access to light, no lights. Now we got the partners with PowerWells. I think they just bring that hope. The women, they thought they would never switch on a light. The women are benefiting from these lightings. Lawital had their first street light installed in a place where traditional knowledge will be passed on to the younger generation. It is history in the making.